Do you recollect him testifying that he proposed that they launder the money? Defendant's counsel, objection to the blatant leading, if Your Honor, please. The court, overruled. I do recall that. Did he tell you that during that first proposal? Defendant's counsel, objection to any leading here, Your Honor. The court, yes. What, if anything, did he tell you? He told me that he had cash that he would need to move. So, in essence, he was asking him whether or not they could pick up kids of where they left off the last time? Yes. Defendant's counsel, objection to the leading, Your Honor, and suggestiveness. We went over all of this yesterday, Your Honor, and now he is being repetitive. The court, I will let him proceed for a short time to refresh the recollection of the jury as yesterday's testimony. The other vehicle that was involved in this accident, did it stop after the accident? Did it leave? Did it do something else? It stopped. Describe what color the other vehicle was. I don't really know. Was it a truck, a car, a van? You want to know what type of vehicle it was? Yes, it was a van. What kind of a van? It was actually a full-size van, not a minivan. Defendant's counsel, Your Honor, would you direct the witness to not volunteer but to answer the question only? He was not asked what it was not. The court, yes, answer the question, please, Mr. Steele, as responsively as you can. Was there any writing on the van, do you remember? Do you mean any sort of sign or writing on the van? Yes. No, I did not see any. Did you at any time after you got out of your vehicle speak with the driver of the other vehicle? Yes. The van that came in contact with your car after you got out of your car, did you speak to this other driver? No. What I want to know is, after the accident, you got out of your car, is that right? Oh, the other vehicle that was involved in this accident stopped after the accident. It did stop, or did it leave? It stopped. Did you or did you not ever speak to the driver of the car that was involved? Defendant's counsel, objection, asked and answered. The court, next question, please. Tell me basically what was said between you and the other driver. Well, he hit me. I said, what happened? He said, I'm sorry. Did you exchange any information with the other driver? Yes, we exchanged information. What type of information? License and insurance. Did you write it down? Yes. What did you do with that information? I gave him mine too. We exchanged. What did you do with the information you wrote down? I went to the police station. Defendant's counsel, objection. Did he say he wrote it down? Plaintiff's counsel, he said he took it down. The court, sustained as to form. Plaintiff's counsel, I can rephrase it, Your Honor. The court, yes, do that. When the other driver gave you his license and insurance info, did you write anything down? Yes, I wrote it down. And what did you do with the paper on which you wrote it down? I went to the police station. Did you give it to them? Yes, I reported it to the police, yes. Did they hold it? They made a note and gave it back. Do you still have it? I have it. Do you have it on your person today? Not on me. I asked for the production of that piece of paper, if Your Honor please, as part of the res geste. The court, do you have it at home? I gave it to my lawyer. The court, do you have it, counsel? Plaintiff's counsel, I will produce it tomorrow if the court please. The court, all right. On the license that the other person gave you, was that license a driver's license with a picture on it, or a temporary license without a picture, or something else? Defendant's counsel, objection as to form. The court, overruled. It had a picture on it. Do you remember looking at that picture on the driver's license? Yes. Did the driver of the van resemble the picture that was on the driver's license that he showed you? Yes. What did it look like? He was tall and slim. Do you know approximately age-wise what he looked like? He looked like maybe 20 or 25. Did he ever give you his name at the scene of the accident? His name? Did he ever tell you his name while you were at the scene of the accident? I saw his name on the license. At any time after the accident, did you ever see that man again? No, I did not see him ever again. Do you see that man anywhere in this courtroom today? No. Did you ever see the license plate on the other vehicle? No, I did not check it. Did you drive straight to the police station after the accident? No. Where did you go? I went to church. After services, I went to the police station. Who did you go to church with, if anybody? Defendant's counsel, objection, irrelevant. The court, sustained. How long after the accident did you go to the police station? 2 hours. How long was your conversation with the other driver? About 15 minutes. Do you recall a fight taking place at the scene of the accident? Defense counsel, objection, Your Honor. This is completely irrelevant. The court overruled. Yes, the passenger of the other car got into an altercation. With whom? He grabbed my passenger by the right arm. What happened next, please? He was arrested. For what? They charged him with, I think, disorderly conduct. Were you involved in that fracas? No, I was not. The passenger in the other car was drunk. Defendant's counsel, objection, Your Honor. This whole line of questioning is prejudicial to my client. The court, counsel, it does seem to be irrelevant to this lawsuit. What is the connection? Plaintiff's counsel, Your Honor, if you will give me a little leeway, I will connect it up. Will you take it subject to connection? It is part of the essential circumstances, the sine qua non of the accident. The court, no, I don't think so. It is prejudicial. I will instruct the jury to disregard his testimony with respect to a fight. Unless you can connect it up, it is out, counselor. Plaintiff's counsel, if Your Honor please, it is part of the res gesti. The court, counsel, it is completely irrelevant, and don't give me any of that law school jazz. If you keep underscoring it, I will declare a mistrial.
You gave me that take this morning already.
Yeah. Did you get it?
So.
That's why I tried to give it a little faster.
That's, my software says 180.
Oh, yeah?
How fast do you think it was?
200.
You think 200?